The UGREEN Nexode Pro 100W GaN USB-C wall charger is designed for users who need fast, efficient, and reliable charging for multiple devices in a compact form factor. Built with GaN gallium nitride technology, it focuses on delivering high power output while maintaining a smaller size and improved energy efficiency compared to traditional chargers. One of the main strengths of this charger is its 100W power delivery capability. This allows it to charge high-demand devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones at fast speeds. Whether you're powering a USB-C laptop or quickly charging a phone, the charger is built to handle multiple power requirements efficiently without performance drops. The 3-port design adds significant convenience for users who carry multiple devices. With multiple USB-C ports available, it becomes easier to charge a laptop, phone, and accessory at the same time. This reduces the need for multiple chargers and helps keep workspaces or travel setups more organized. The intelligent power distribution ensures that connected devices receive optimal charging speeds based on their requirements. GaN technology is another important highlight of the UGREEN Nexode Pro. By using advanced semiconductor materials, the charger generates less heat while maintaining high efficiency. This results in a more compact design that is easier to carry and ideal for travel use. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful output that is suitable for both everyday charging and high-performance devices. Safety and reliability are also key priorities. The charger is designed with multiple protection systems to help prevent issues such as overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. This ensures stable performance and helps protect connected devices during long charging sessions. The build quality is solid and modern, matching the premium feel expected from a high-wattage GaN charger. Its compact design makes it easy to fit into bags or travel kits, making it a practical choice for users who are frequently on the move or working across different locations. Overall, the UGREEN Nexode Pro 100W GaN USB-C wall charger is a powerful and efficient charging solution for users who need speed, convenience, and portability. With its multi-port design, fast charging capability, and compact GaN construction, it is an excellent choice for powering multiple devices reliably in both home and travel environments.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.